we have a questions of 2 to the power of a plus 2 to the power of b plus 2 to the power of c equals to 148. Find a, b, and c. We know a, b, and c are the power of 2, and their sum is 148. And we know there's not many index number that's by 2 and smaller than 148. I'm gonna go ahead and list all of them out. We start with 2 to the power of 0, that's give me 1. And then we have 2 to the power of 1, give me 2. 2 to the power of 2, give me 4, and so on. Now we stop at 2 to the power of 7. We don't want to go to 2 to the power of 8 because it will be 256. That is bigger than 148. We don't want that number. Now we just go ahead and find the, let's have the sum equal to 148. So I just inspect the last digits, which is 8. So we can try 2 and 8, give me 10 plus 128, give me 138. That's not right. If I add 8 to 32, I have 40, and to get the last digit is 8. I will have to add to this one, but that will be 168. That's not right. So I go for 4 and 16, I have 20, and 20 plus 128 give me 148. So I can have 4, 16, and 128. So that will give me 2 to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 4 plus 2 to the power of 7. And that will give me 148. So this is the answer, 2, 4, and 7. Order doesn't matter. Thank you very much for watching. And if you find the value in my content, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.